Hi everyone. Shade of gray. There are different reasons that drive someone to extensively modify a motorcycle. Maybe an apehanger should be fitted, or it must be that particular exhaust system. With the Fat Boy it was certainly the color scheme and the matte surfaces. That the Dayton Dude should become gray was clear from the start. It should be the currently very popular Nardo Gray, but in a matte look. Of course we have applied this. In addition, all glossy surfaces were matted or exchanged for parts with a matte look. Whether sunshine or street lantern, this Fat Boy absorbs any light. The Dayton Dude now glides along on noble spoke wheels in bicolor finish and in the dimensions 21-inch front and 18-inch rear. For this purpose we have installed our pulley brake system, which provides an optimal view of the rear wheel. What's the use of awesome wheels if you can't see them? Our air ride now regulates the distance between the steel fender and the tire at the rear of the bike. A wide Hollywood handlebar and 21 inches GFK front fender gives the FLFBS a classic, cool front end. The Dayton Dude presents itself as one of the most harmonious Fat Boy conversion concepts from our workshop and shines with more sportiness and elegance. And what suits this project better than Nardo Gray? Thanks for watching.